Hello, in today's lesson we're going to be looking at the Reminders app on your iPad. To open it, we're going to click on the Reminders icon. And now there's two parts to our Reminders screen. The left side, which is going to be how we organize and compile our reminders and search for them in a really nice fashion. And on the right side, we're actually going to have a list of all of our reminders, and it's going to help us stay organized and keep things on task. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is create a reminder by clicking right under the iCloud menu on the left and hitting the word that says reminder. I'm going to then click on the plus, and that's going to pop up my keyboard, and I'm going to say go to store. And I have a few options from there. I'm going to hit return, and by hitting return that does open up another reminder. I can say get bread. And so I can keep adding reminders here as long as I need to. But I want to go back and I want to organize these and I want to put some data in here. So if I click on go to store, it asks me to remind me on a day. And let's say that I wanted to be reminded at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Of course, if I wanted to, I can change the date, change the time. But this is fine for now. Let's get back into that menu. I can have it repeat every day. It can remind me to go to the store. And also I can write some notes here. So I can say, get bread. And then I can click done. So you'll notice here underneath the reminders, it says go to store. It's going to remind us today at 4 o'clock. And it's going to ask me to go out and get bread. And of course, if I wanted to, I can change that. I can edit that however I need to. Now, looking down on the bottom left on our calendar, if I click on all these other dates, you'll notice we don't have any notes. If we click on the 22nd, that shows us that we have one reminder. Now I'm going to click on the top left here under where it says completed. You'll notice we don't have any notes that are completed, but we do have some things that are listed for today, such as going to store. Okay, so let's say that I want to create some categories. I want to create some reminders for my home, for my work, for my school. So we have a new list that we can create. We can call that home. And we can create a new list that says work. And let's say we have some things for home. So I'll add a new reminder here. And I'll walk the dog. And then for work, I will say pay bills. So when I go into reminders, I have the basic reminders: going to the store, getting bread; my home, cleaning dishes, walking dog; and work, we have paying bills. Now, for today, we only put a date on the one, but we don't have anything created yet. So how does that work? Under reminders, we have these little check boxes, and if I check that box here, I can come up and see that, yep, we got bread today, and everything is taken care of. If I'd like to edit any of these, I certainly can. I can delete my home, and I can delete the work, and that is our Reminders app.